Hello friends, today's topic is database. As you know, in today's competitive world, marketing is as important as quality. I know you have already installed bulk WhatsApp sender, bulk email sender after watching my previous videos. But what about database? You hate to find leads, and I know it's not an easy task at all. There are two ways to gather data. One is do it yourself, and the second is ready-made. I know you don't have time. I know it very well. Don't worry. Install YHB database software that consists of 50 crore plus database of different category. Downloading and installing is the most easiest part of this process. Simply follow the procedure as shown in the video. Hey, now you can get millions of leads. If you are that type of person who always wants customized data, no problem. Open the WA sender, click on Settings, and in the Google Map Data Extractor section, click on Grab Now button. Search for your query here. And done, you almost finished what you have to do here. Now click on export and your data is ready. Install WA Sender till now. Watch my previous full tutorial video on WA Sender 3.3.0, latest version installation process.
Welcome to my channel, your help buddy. Link of software. Here you can face some activation pop-up page, so please watch the full.
Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.